All right, y'all, come over here and look at this. Catfish fillets. I love catching catfish. I love eating catfish. I'm gonna show y'all a super fast way to cook it. Got a whole meal planned out here, all at once, y'all. All right, come over here and watch. It's gonna be good. All right, y'all, we're fixing to cook this up. We're gonna throw a little butter down right there. Get it melting down. Throw our corn on top. Smear it around a little bit. That's gonna be cooking. Watch this, y'all. Get a little cooking oil. That don't take long for this now. Catfish is something good, easy to catch. You got plenty of it. Y'all watch it. We're gonna set this down easy right there. You hear it cooking? And we're gonna go right away and put some seasoning on this. We got some of this Bayou blend right here. This is quick and easy. I like fried catfish. Sometimes you ain't got time. This works great. When we gotta roll that corn around, we're gonna turn up the volume there a little bit. All right, we gotta open these green beans. Good. Where's my can opener? Oh, keep one right here. Well, when I was growing up, my grandpa always taught me to be prepared because you never know it's gonna come up. Another thing, we go in the swamp, we might be staying out there 5 or 6 days. So if you broke down or something happened, you better have stuff to take care of yourself. All right, we're gonna throw a little more oil down, y'all. Drop these green beans on there. A lot of people don't season the green beans, you know me. I like my seasoning. I'm gonna season them. Bayou blend's good. Put a little bit on it. And this corn, I've been rolling around in this butter sauce. We're gonna season that up too. Everything's gonna have a little seasoning on it. All right, y'all. Y'all see that fish? It ain't been cooking that long. Let's see if it released. Oh yeah. This is ready, y'all. I'm gonna flip this fish. I just leave it on there a few minutes. I don't exactly know. I can look at it basically and tell. It don't take long to cook this kind of fish. Okay, we're gonna let this cook a few minutes. And what I also like to do, put a little lemon on there. We have big vats in front of the camp. When I was coming up, big wooden vats, and my grandpa would always have catfish in there. That was something, it was just something you had all the time to eat catfish. All right, y'all, this is just about ready. We're gonna let it cook a few more minutes, then we're gonna come back and plate it up. Didn't take long at all, did it now? Ain't this some beautiful fish, y'all? It's just pretty. Look at that. Well, this is simple right here. All you gotta do is turn the fire up a little bit and you have blacking catfish. And that's good too. But not today. Green beans. Ooh, yes. Couple pieces of corn. Y'all tell me that don't look pretty. Ooh, now the best part, we get to eat it. You'll see how long that took. It don't take long at all. Food don't have to take all day to cook to make it good. Oh my goodness, it's good and flaky. A lot of good flavor. Green beans are cooked good. Gotta love corn, don't you? Y'all, this is good. Food don't have to be hard. Every state got catfish. Just get you some catfish, put it on the Blackstone, cook it up, corn, green beans. Hey, you got a meal. 20 minutes tops. I love that fish. It's good and flaky. Oh boy.
Tonight,